Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. And if you have an overabundance of cups like I do, you know how hard it is to organize them.
This is a 4 pack of stackable water bottle organizers from Tidy Savant, and they hold 16 water bottles or your favorite tumblers. I really love that you can have these stacked in either two, three, or all four, depending on what you've got going on in your cabinet. I have tried these out a couple different ways, and I really just love how organized all of my tumblers are now. It has made such a difference in the organization in my cabinets. I can very easily find my water bottles, my favorite tumblers, and they are just organized. And it really is just so refreshing to look in here. I couldn't recommend these more.
With these bottle organizers, you're able to have all of your favorite cups put away, organized, and that will make you and your cups happy. And that's my point of view.